Alright, hey guys. So we got the Diaper Genie complete from my mom, and we honestly think it's probably the best diaper trash can. One thing that I did find out, stop laughing, that kind of helps is to get a little bit more room. Is when you pull it down, is if you pull it this way, you can actually get more room and whatnot, but we've already done it. So one way, once you get done and it's full, there's a little clip here to cut. You pull, and then that. So this is how much extra we've gotten to go into the bag. Show the bag. So this is how much extra we've gotten to go in, because you just pull it down. See, even now, that's how much is basically wasted.
You just wasted more.
Yeah, I just wasted more. But if you can get it, whenever you start getting a little bit in there, just try to pull it down. Because, I mean, you see how much bag is wasted. So, it is what it is on this one. But, what you'll do is once you get it cut, once you get a new one, you'll just go in, pull it through, and then tie it like that, and just pull it down a little bit. Once it starts getting a little full, do what I just showed you with the other bag, and just try to make room so you can get as much in there as possible, so you're not wasting the plastic. And these are not the name brand, so we got the Mama Bear ones. They're in. What are you doing? They're from Amazon. It's an Amazon company. They're so much cheaper. I'll leave a link down below where you can get these. We got the 8-pack. It was like 30 bucks or something. And these are just the same quality as the Playtex and everything. So, well, anyway, thank you for watching, and do what inspires you. All right, hey guys, what's going on? So,
what's going on? You're...
I'll just edit it out. What's so funny?
What's going on is going. Go na.
You done laughing? No, you're not.
I'm done.
Why are you laughing?
It's na, bilis.
Alright, hey guys, how's it going? So one of the things that we got for our... Why are you laughing? Hey guys.
I'm not laughing.
Why is it so funny?
Nothing. Okay.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Bilis na.
I can't, well, because you keep dropping the camera.
Oh, sorry.
And you're shaking it.
I'm not shake.
Yes, you are.
This is anti-shake.
Not that much shake.
Bilis na. I need to pa.
Well, quit laughing and we'll get done with this.
Okay.
Hey guys. Okay, take 50.